Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool Madonna here, and basically what this is an over-the-door shoe organizer. So the one that we got right here is a clear design. It actually fits 24 shoes in here. So each one can actually fit one. So if you guys have a pair of shoes, then you definitely want to use 2 slots. And for the one that we got right here is from the brand called SimpleHouseware. And this is basically what the packaging looks like. And for this product, you have it in many different colors. So whether you guys want like a gray color, a clear color, a pink color, or whatever, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. But this is the one that we got right here. Let's open up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we open it up, this is basically what the product looks like. It's literally so long to the point where I can't show you guys in the full video right here. But if I go like this, you can definitely see how long it is. And like I mentioned, there's 24 slots for you guys to put like 2 shoes in each. But see in the top part right here, they do have the slot for you guys to put the hangers, which is actually included for you guys. So the hangers are right here and they provide you guys 4 of them. So one for each slot right here. And you just want to basically hang this on top of your door. Once you guys hang this over your door, you can basically just slip your shoes inside right here and keep everything all organized. So this is basically what the product looks like in the front. When we flip it to the other side, this is basically what it looks like on this side. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just set this up and show you guys how to actually set it up. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we just finished installing the product right here. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty awesome. It's definitely really long, so you definitely want to make sure you guys have a long door when you guys install it. But you basically have these 2 slots right here, 2 slots right here. So 4 times 6 for a total of 12 different shoes in here. So 2 right here, 2 right here, 2 right here, 2 right here, and the list goes on. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. Let me actually put some shoe on here to show you guys what it actually looks like. So I'll put on the top one right here first. Alright, so I got 2 of them on. Let's put some more on. Alright, you see the shoe that we got right here is a little bit bigger. These are the Crocs shoes. But you definitely see that still fits inside, even though it sticks out a little bit. Let me put 2 more. Alright. So once you put it on, this is basically what the product looks like. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. So this way you can organize all your shoes, your slippers, your dress shoes, or whatever. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys install it. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. This way you guys can save a lot of space and you can definitely put a lot more shoes if you guys have a lot of shoes. And keep everything all organized so that way you guys know where everything is. And also this way it doesn't waste any space when you guys install it as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and it's quite well. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use as well. Basically once you guys set up like the hanger part on top, you can just basically hang it over your door and you can start using the product. And you basically put your shoes inside each one of the slots. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys have a lot of shoe and you guys don't want to put it on your floor and you guys want to keep everything all organized. Then definitely getting one of these products is super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.